Today I'm going to show you how I can shoot POV videos using this smartphone magnetic neck holder. I went ahead to open up the box and it came with a little user guide with a few steps on how to get this neck holder working. I like how each step is accompanied by a picture and a description of what to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is stick the magnetic ring onto the back of my phone. I just peeled away the wax backing and on the other side is where the magnet is. I'm putting this directly onto the back of my phone, but if you have a smooth phone case, you can put the magnet on that as well. Just make sure you clean it off first. Let's go ahead and test how strong this magnet is. Actually, this magnet is surprisingly really strong. It's really holding onto my phone no matter how hard I shake this neck mount. And I can even turn my phone so I can film either in portrait mode or landscape mode. Now I'm going to put this neck mount onto my neck. The user guide says there is a little button you can press to release one side of the collar, and you can insert this back in quite easily as well. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. I have it around my neck already and it's pretty comfortable to wear actually. Now I'm going to put my phone back onto the magnetic plate. This thing is really easy to adjust up and down and I can also tilt it. So here's me filming. I've got the neck holder on and the phone is mounted to it using the magnet. This is the perfect setup for me now to do all my unboxing videos. I can free up my hands and not worry about using an overhead tripod when I want to film a product demo either.